Middle East AI briefing. Defense integration, data gaps, and academic success. The Middle East is witnessing a rapid acceleration in artificial intelligence adoption, spanning from high-level military manufacturing to grassroots academic achievements. As regional powers race to integrate AI into their core infrastructures, several key developments highlight both the opportunities and the structural challenges currently facing the sector. Egypt. Integrating AI into defense production, Egypt is making a strategic move to incorporate artificial intelligence into its defense manufacturing processes. This shift represents a broader global trend where military industrialization is no longer just about hardware, but about the intelligence embedded within that hardware. By automating and optimizing production through AI, Egypt aims to enhance the precision, efficiency, and sophistication of its domestic defense capabilities. This move is significant as it signals a transition from traditional manufacturing toward a high-tech, data-driven military-industrial complex. Saudi Arabia. The challenge of data readiness. While the region moves toward advanced implementation, Saudi Arabian firms are encountering a critical bottleneck: the AI data readiness gap. For AI to be effective, businesses require vast, high-quality, and well-structured data sets. Reports suggest that many companies in the kingdom are currently struggling to prepare their internal data architectures to meet these demands. This gap highlights a crucial reality in the tech evolution. The sophistication of an AI model is ultimately limited by the quality of the data fed into it. Without addressing data organization and governance, the potential for AI-driven ROI remains out of reach for many Saudi enterprises. Algeria. Excellence in AI education. On the academic front, Algeria has demonstrated significant regional strength in AI talent development. The country recently secured 4 medals at the African AI Olympiad, showcasing the rising caliber of young technologists in the region. This success is a vital indicator of long-term sustainability. While much of the current news focuses on industrial application, Algeria's achievement underscores the importance of the human layer, the specialized workforce required to build, maintain, and innovate within the AI ecosystem. Summary: the Middle East is experiencing a multi-layered AI evolution, characterized by Egypt's industrial integration, Saudi Arabia's data infrastructure challenges, and Algeria's emerging technical talent.